actually not that bad. It's actually pretty balanced. Shaking a bit, but it's working good. Oh, I love that sound. So beautiful. Best sound ever for a whirlpool duet like mine. Sigma the washer makes one of the best sounds when it spins. I love it. 1 minute left. I'll get the beep for you guys. The dryer's already done, by the way, or Stella's already done, so I'll get the closeout after this is done, but I'll do that off camera though, because I don't feel like doing it on video because it's too much. Well, not really, I just don't really want to do it. It's on high, of course, like normal. I'll let you see it in the whole frame so you can see all the lights turn off. Or I mean, this light will illuminate, so the done light you'll see. So I'll let you see all the lights shut off at the same time. This will turn off first though, and all the rest of the lights will turn off. Since the unlock button usually turns off first. It's still spinning. Okay, ready? There you go. It's done. Yes, as you can see, it makes the same forward beeps. It does 3 beeps and then a long beep, and then another 3 beeps. It does that 4 times when it's done. The same with the dryer. But, however, want to know something? A fun fact about this. I'm going to turn this off so you can see that turn off. Fun fact about excuse me. The Kenmore, most of them at least, they do it backwards. So it does a long, the first one will be a long beep, and then the 3 beeps go after, so it's in reverse. And it also does it 4 times, just like how it would do it in forward. However, the dryer always does it forward. However, fun fact about the cycle signal on those washers, it's usually turned off by default. So they don't usually have it on, usually, because they had that feature off on that washer so it wouldn't scare anyone, or so it wouldn't bother people when it's done. However, I like it on because I always wanted to hear the backwards beep, because it is very, very rare. It's really rare to hear the backward sequence of what you just heard of the beeps, like the forward one, like the one you just heard in this video. It's forward, of course. But yeah, the washer is moved back, as you can see, just a bit farther. However, this was extremely off balance earlier, so it was really shaking earlier. But other than that, this washer is really good, although I don't like it though. It's just my personal opinion. I just don't like it. So, yeah. But still, overall, Sigma is a really good washer. I just don't like it. But she's doing really well since 2017. But the Spring and Spider are going out on her. So replacing might have to happen pretty soon on this thing. However, it is working really well, even Stella. So, yeah, thanks for watching.